Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Wahyu Bimantoro, NPM 19312142, kelas IF22C. The basic concept of algorithm. Understanding algorithm. The algorithm was first coined by Abu Ja'far Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi in a book entitled Al-Jabar wa al-Muqablah, which in the book reveals that algorithm consists of two words, namely algorithmic and rhythmic. Programming is a powerful method that contains sequence steps that are targets accuracy of sequentially made with computer assistance to solve a problem. Algorithm can be utilized in any programming because writing and creating algorithm is usually independent of any programming language. Algorithms writing notation can be found in translate and programming language into various language programming. The algorithm is the same if the output is the same. Several definitions of algorithm put forward by XPR. 1. An algorithm is a regular finite sequence of methods used in solving a problem by intrusion which is very clearly defined by Simon-Lipschutz PhD. 2. An algorithm is a description of a series of steps obtained success from a result according to David Bolton. 3. Algorithms are something that is very often encountered, easy to understand to read decision defines how to computer data for desired result proposed by Andrei Markov. From all the expert opinion of both, it can be concluded the making decisions to resolve a problem with logical sequence is an algorithm. That result is not true because the steps used are wrong. So that we can do more, it is easy to know the meaning of the algorithms. Can be exemplified with a problem of exchange the content of containers, namely containers E dan B. 3 are two containers, namely containers A and containers B. Containers A is filled with water, while container B is filled with coffee water. In exchange, the content of the container abounded container I, which was entirely filled with water and turned into water liquid. Container B, which was entirely filled with coffee, became filled with water tea. 2. Basic structure of algorithm. Algorithms have three basic structures, namely sequence, selection, and repetition. This structure from the building of an algorithm as for explanation of the three structures, namely I. Sequence, namely the instruction carried out must be in accordance with the sequence. Where each sequence consists of one or more something direction that will be carried out after all previous direction have been complete. Don't finish so the right sequence of intrusion produce result the end of a algorithm. And if the writing is not sequential, then the final result will be the algorithm will also change. B. Selection structure or coordination selector. In the complete of this condition, the length of each program is not resolved. Can be done if a program has full requirement. Use I. Process of testing decisions making for a line process or not is the selection structure of a program. Testing this problem is created to choose one of several existing alternatives. C. Repetition commonly called loop and loop body are more repeating part of an algorithm's action. The computer never gets tried do something and becomes one of the advantages of a computer system. 3. Character algorithms. I. Is solving a problem, an algorithm must have a method or method proper logics. B. The resulting output must appropriate and correct for the very term sort. C. When writing algorithms, you must use standard and sequential language and net so as not to create double meaning. D. Algorithms can be implemented in a programming language if written in a easy to understand format. E. It requires operation to be clearly defined. V. Algorithm problem will be resolved in several processes have been carried out done. 4. How to create a program. A. Explain a problem. 1. Initial condition, namely the available input. 2. Final condition, namely the desired output. 3. Other data available. 5. 4. Available operator. 5. Condition or constraints that must be met. B. Structure of the solution method for creating algorithms. In solving problem in the problem is complete, it will be divided into several books. C. Writing program. 1. Use language that it easy to understand and learn. 2. Choose on the is easy to use and has mastered writing. D. When using hardware and some other media, you must has a high level of compatibility. That all from me, more and less apologies. Wallahul muwafiq liwal muthoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.